Hello, this is Jim Connolly with Weston Nurseries here in Chelmsford. One of the biggest things that we're seeing is people planting more native plants, and natives of course have a lot of benefits. We know that. They're great for pollinators. You can see this hydrangea right here, all the bees that are just floating around the pollen just to kind of go crazy and bring it back to their hives, which is one of the major benefits of planting natives. We know that other benefits are that they can tolerate a lot better growing conditions in New England, what have you. So I just wanted to point out a couple of my favorites that we have. And we have brought in a lot of these in smaller size containers, so they're a little bit more economically priced. So the first one I want to talk about is Sassafras, which is a great native tree. Sassafras is known to have a fragrance to the foliage, which is very interesting. The other thing is it has a beautiful orangey red fall color. It is a faster growing tree, and we have them in the smaller size container, so you don't have to pay a lot and enjoy it. If you want to go with something a little larger, certainly we have them in larger size containers, but it's a plant that I would recommend to add to that native garden that's a little different and unique. So it really looks good as a plant that you might see on the edge of a forest if you want to really introduce some fall color. And like I said, the fragrance of the leaf is really interesting as well. Because of the fragrance in the leaf, a lot of critters don't like it as well. Speaking of native plants in 1 gallon, we have the red bud. So we have some of these in 1 gallon, we have some of them in 2 gallon. So, if you're looking for an opportunity to add natives, but you're not looking to spend a lot of money, come to the Chelmsford location. You'll find we have a lot of plants in that 1 or that 2 gallon size that a little bit more economically priced. Another native plant that we have here in 1 gallon is the beach plum, Prunus maritima. And beach plum is something you would see along coastal communities like Plum Island, or if you went down to Cape Cod. And it has a flower that produces a plum-like fruit, which you can make jams from. So it's an edible plant, and it doesn't need to go in a beach-like condition. You could plant this in your landscape as an ornamental / edible, where you would get the fruit and then harvest the fruit to create jellies or jams if you wanted to, and then enjoy it for its being a native plant. It does like full sun. It's a deciduous shrub that can get 8 foot tall. It will have the fruit in the fall. You can prune it to maintain some of its stature, but it's a great plant for like a drier, sandy soil or a hot, drought condition situation, which we have a lot of times in the summertime. My last native plant that I want to talk about that we have here in Chelmsford that I love is the Aesculus parviflora, or the Bottlebrush Buckeye. It's a native plant that really likes shade. If it's in hot sun, you're going to see the edges of the leaves get really crispy. That was from those increased temperatures of 100 degrees, and it just dried out some of the tips. It's fine though. But this is a plant that you would see in part shade, and in the summertime, you've got these long panically white spikes that will open up. It's in bud now, and the bees are all over this when it starts to flower. It gets about 15 foot tall, so this would be a great mid-sized bush tree type thing. It doesn't grow fast, so for this size plant to get this size is going to take a few years. But if you're looking at your landscape and you're saying, I got like dappled sun, I want something that's going to give me that 8 to 12 foot height, because I'm going to have lower growing perennials or shrubs that are in front of it, this is definitely a go-to. And it does have a very nice fall color as well. So it's definitely something that I would recommend that's a little bit different and unique. And we have these in larger sizes here at the nursery. We've got some 3 to 4 footers, and even I have some 4 to 5 footers if you really want something big to start. So again, this is Jim from Weston Nurseries in Chelmsford. I recommend, if you're looking for different unique natives, go to all of our participating garden centers, because there's going to be different varieties in each one. If you have more questions about natives, you can check our website or other videos that we have about native plants. And happy gardening. This is Jim signing off.